Good morning and happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Whether you're a mom, a mother figure, a worm mama, doesn't matter. You're a mom. Today, well, it's Mother's Day, and I want to see, of course, my family wants to take me out to lunch later if the weather holds out, because the weather here's been a little wonky. If I could plant some onions, and I have some new products I want to show you guys that I got. So hopefully the weather will hold out and I'll be able to come out here and film. It's a little chilly this morning. Yesterday, my daughters and I went out for a day of shopping and piercings. They each got one piercing and I got four. So yeah, I'm in a little bit of pain today. But it's all right. I've been wanting to be pierced for a long time. So yesterday for Mother's Day, that's what we did. Everything's looking good in here. I mean, there are weeds and they're pretty much holding up better than what I expected, but yeah, it needs a little tending. So anyway, guys, happy Mother's Day, and subscribe, like, and give me that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.